bioremedial online classes. I am Santosh. I welcome you to this new session of genetics linkage. Students, today we will understand a new concept on genetics linkage, which is one of the deviation of Mendel's principle, law of independent assortment. This phenomenon of linkage, it deviates independent assortments. How it deviates, we will explain and we will understand in this chapter. Students, there is a scientist, very big scientist on genetics, Thomas Hunt Morgan. Thomas Hunt Morgan in 1910, he experimented on genetics. He experimented on Drosophila melanogaster. He is the first scientist who worked on animal. He proved animal genetics. So far as Mendel is concerned, he worked on plants, pea plants, but he is the person, Thomas Hunt Morgan. He worked on Drosophila melanogaster and worked out some hybrid experiment on Drosophila, and he proved some phenomenon. He proved the genetics and this phenomenon of linkage, how he obtained the result, how he proved the phenomenon of linkage, we will explain today in this chapter. Students, before that we should understand very in simple way that what a linkage is all about. So linkage is the physical association of two or more genes generation after generation. Suppose there is a two gene present in one chromosome, and these two genes are together, they transport to next generation, again they transport to next generation. Likewise, the combination of two genes remain intact. That is all about linkage. But how the linkage usually takes place, or how the linkage exists, we will understand, and in what condition the linkage also fail and the crossover takes place, how the recombination takes place, we will also understand. Students, a linkage, let me explain very in simple way. Suppose there is a two chromosomes. I am writing two chromosomes. Suppose this is a two homologous pair, a homologous pair of chromosome, and it contains suppose four genes. Let example A, B, C, D are four genes present in this homologous pair of chromosomes, and here also small a, small b, small c and small d. Now the linkage is if any of the two or more genes if simultaneously transport to next generation. And what possibilities of separation of two genes is the only chance of crossing over. During crossing over, there is a chance of separation of two genes. Crossing over we know takes place during gamete formation, during meiosis. At the stage of Paka-18, we know crossing over takes place, and due to the crossing over, sometimes these genes are separated. Suppose these two genes are crossed each other, because normally crossing over takes place between the homologous chromosomes, and the due to crossing overs, suppose the two genes like this, this A, B, C, D. Let me explain you in this way. And suppose this crossing over took place in this place, suppose A, B, C and D. Suppose here A, B, C and D. Suppose in this way, suppose crossover took place, and this way they will be separated, and this way these two chromosomes will be separated from each other, and this will be another chromosome, this will be separate chromosome. Finally, the resulting chromosome pair will be having A, B, C and small d. And here the resulting chromosome will have A, small b, small c and capital D. Now we understood this capital D from this pair is separated and it is transferred to other part of chromosome, other homologous chromosome. That means A and D are the two genes, they were together but they are separated due to crossing over. That is why we will understand only the chances of separation, the chances of recombination actually is more if the two genes are far away from each other. understand, suppose A and B, there is a chance of separation is very less, because only at this stage, only A and B, suppose there will be separation between A and B, the crossing over must take place between this point A and B, then only these two will be separated. Otherwise, there is a more chance between A and D, the separation of A and D will be more, because if here there will be crossing over, there will be separation. If the crossing over take place between B and C, then also D will be separated. If the crossing over took place in A and B, then also D will be separated. So there is more chance of separation between two genes if they are far away from each other. There is a less chance of separation of two genes if they are very close to each other. This is a very common concept. I wanted to explain that this is the only concept on which the entire linkage based on. And let us understand what Thomas Hunt Morgan worked on this Drosophila experiment and what result he found and how he proved linkage. So let us understand the experiment of Thomas Hunt Morgan. Students, Thomas Hunt Morgan, he selected Drosophila melanogaster as the experimental organism, as animal. In animal genetics, that is why he is known as the father of cytogenetics. He worked on animal genetics. He is the first scientist. Thomas Hunt Morgan, with his associates, he worked on Drosophila. The first question comes to our mind: why he selected Drosophila? Just like Mendel selected pea plants for some specific reason, here also Drosophila, selecting Drosophila by Thomas Morgan group was due to some of the characters. That Drosophila, he selected Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogasters, the reason of selecting this, it is commonly called fruit fly. They are commonly called fruit fly. He selected because they were having contrasting characters, various contrasting characters they were having. Drosophila, some were having red eye, some were having white eye, some were having yellow body, some were having brown body, some were having long wings, short wings, likewise. Second reason of selecting this, the Drosophila, very easy to grow. They can grow easily. In lab. So in lab, we can easily make them grow with very limited source of nutrients, limited source of food and environment. Second, the third reason is the life cycle very short. Life cycle only 2 weeks. Very, very interesting. Within 2 weeks they can reproduce. That means every 2 weeks we can study one more generation of Drosophila. So very easy. Then the fourth, the reason of selecting Drosophila melanogasters, due to contrasting characters, easy grow in lab, life cycles, 2 weeks of life cycle they have. Okay, and the most importantly, male and female are morphologically different. A character, very important character, because we can easily identify who are male melanogasters, who are female. So male female can be easily distinguished. So we can put them together for mating. So male female can be easily kept for mating. So these 4 reasons helped them to select the Drosophila for their experiment. Now let us understand what experiment, what character they choose and what result they found in the hybrid crossing of Drosophila. Students, what did they do with the Drosophila? First he selected a yellow body with white color female. A female with yellow body he selected female with yellow body and white eye. He crossed with male having brown body and red eye. So this character, brown body and red eye, is the wild character. Here wild character implies dominant character. Wild character means dominant characters. Actually, in NCERT book, the wild character is mentioned, so it is very difficult to understand what is wild means. Wild means dominant character. This character, brown body and red eye, is dominant male, and yellow body with white eye, it is in a recessive condition. Obviously, recessive characters will be found in homozygous conditions. So we will understand how the crossing took place, what result Thomas Morgan found. So in female, we can draw, suppose a homologous pair of chromosomes. Suppose a homologous pair of chromosomes. Here we can draw yellow body, Y, then W. YW and YW is the homozygous condition of yellow and white eye. It crossed with here. In male, we know brown body, red eye, this character of gene present in X chromosome only. So the brown body, that is Y plus implies brown body, wild character or dominant gene. Similarly, W plus is the red eyed dominant characters. And the Y chromosome, a little different from X chromosome, so there is no gene present in Y chromosome in male. So this is the sex chromosome of male and female Drosophila. Then, when we get F1 generation, so what result they found in F1 generation? Understand, F1 female. If we talk about female, we will see the crossing will take place only X chromosomes with any of the two chromosomes. So that means we will have these chromosomes Y and W, YW with Y plus W plus, with Y plus then W plus. Another pair will be same, Y plus W plus with this only. So female will be only this type of combination, and the male will have same here only one type of gametes, so Y and W with here is the Y chromosomes, a little odd, little different from X chromosomes. So this is the combination of male. Now just it is switched out. Female became brown body and red eyed, and male become a white body, yellow body with white eye. So here male becomes yellow body with white eye. Here female becomes brown body with red eye. This is in F1 generation. In the F1 generation they found this. Now, if they have to obtain F2 generation, they have to intercross F1 generation. Here we cannot say self-pollination or self-crossing. It is intercrossing of F1 generation. So what did they found in intercrossing among F1 generation? Let us understand. F1 generation, with this we found this male and female, then we will cross them. If we cross them, there will be different types of gametes. So let us understand in F2 generation what result they will get in female, then what result they will get in male. In female, these two combination, yellow and white, they will first get a small y, small yellow and white, simple yellow and white. Okay, then brown Y plus W plus, then another combination they will also get Y plus, then W plus with simple YW. YW, another one pair of female YW, one pair Y plus W plus YW. Then in male, they found this male combination, they found simple YW with Y chromosome, means sex, YW present in X chromosome combined with Y chromosome in male. And another combination is Y plus W plus, then Y plus W plus with Y chromosome. So this is the male type in F2 generation. So this is the result he found. They found actually by intercrossing F1 generation in Drosophila melanogaster of female yellow body with white body crossed with male brown body with red eye, wild type. Now the result they found actually here was, it is a parental combination. We can call it is a parental combination. What does it mean by parental combination? I will explain. Now another type, this is recombination. Students, in recombination we will understand some new result they found. What they found actually in recombination means the crossing over took place between the homologous pair of chromosomes. Suppose this is a homologous pair of chromosomes in F1 generation female, because in male there will be no exchange of chromosome, because crossing over will never take place between the X and Y chromosome. So only crossing over can take place between X chromosome. So here is a chance of crossing over taking place. So there will be a new type of combination. If crossing over at all take place, then the combination will be like suppose here Y chromosome and Y plus chromosome, the Y gene and Y plus gene is altered due to crossing over, then the new combination will be here Y plus with W, then Y with W plus. Here there will be the new type of combination may arise. So this combination when combined with the male, suppose this is a female gametes and this is a male gametes, the recombination will give us the result of male or female. Suppose here female will be, so here this X chromosome will combine with this two Y plus with W, then YW. Here will be and the combination in female. Another female will be Y W plus, then YW. Here also YW. So these two cases we will find female, and in male we will find the combination of this Y chromosome with either this or this. That means the combination of Y plus W with Y chromosome, then combination of YW plus with Y chromosomes. Here two cases we will find male. But the problem is the parental combination and recombination should be equal. If there will be combination, 100% combination, if there will be crossing over matters, then definitely the parental combination and the recombination should be equal. That means there should be 50-50%. 50% result will go to the parental combination and 50% result must go to recombination. But the result is, the Thomas and Morgan and his associates found that the parental combination was around 98.7% and the recombinant is just only mere 1.3%. That means the recombination is very less. That means the crossing over very rarely take place between these two genes, while yellow body with white eye. Yellow body white eye genes, they were so closely present the crossing over took place very rarely, and that is why the parental combination was 98.7%. So here one type of crossing they found some result, and let us understand some other type of crossing when they found some result, different result. Then only they concluded that the linkage only depends on the distance between the two genes. Let us understand what other type of experiment they did. So students, Drosophila melanogaster, they have done some hybridized experiment. Another type of hybrid experiment. What they did, they took female Drosophila, female with white eye with miniature wing. White eye. I am writing the character white eye, miniature wing. Miniature means small wing, and crossed with the male Drosophila with a red eye. ये जो wild type character, red eye with long wing or large wing. These two characters were wild, and wild means dominant characters. This is recessive characters. So in this crossing, in F1 generation, similar type of crossing, they found in F2 generation the parental combination. They found 67.8, and recombinance they found 32.8, 67.2 percentage. So in this type of crossing, they found the recombinants were much more, and the parental combination is lesser than the previous crossing. That means they concluded that the recombinant was more because of the distance between the two genes. That means crossing over took place much more times in this case. So the eye color and the wing type, gene was far away from each other, and the eye color and skin color was very closely associated, they're closely linked. That is why parental combination was 98.7 and recombinant only just 1.3. So these two experiments conducted by Morgan and his associates confirmed that linkage exists in between the two genes if they are closely associated, they are closely linked, they are very nearly present. Hope you have understood the concept of linkage. This deviates the independent assortment law of Mendel, and this is a concept of deviation of Mendel, one more deviation of Mendel's principle. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Please do subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Watch me in my next video. Thank you very much.